Welcome to Smart Math. Today I am trying to solve this math Olympic problem in a very unique way. So let's find out the solution. As our equation is x minus 6 over 2023 plus x minus 5 over 2024 plus x minus 4 over 2025 is equals to 3 here. So let's find out the value of x here. So if I'm plot here our equation x minus 6 divided by 2023 plus x minus 5 divided by 2024 here plus x minus 4, that is 2025. This is a positive value, goes equal opposite side means sign change value. So our equation is become minus 3, that is equal to 0, because this is here shift here. So next step is if x minus 6 divided by 2023 plus x minus 5 divided by 2024 plus x minus 4 divided by 2025. If I'm brought here, this is 3 is become equals to minus 3, that is equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 become minus 3 here, that is equal. So I'm wrote here minus 3 is become minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So next step is I'm wrote here, if I'm rearrange this equation, so our equation is become x minus 6 divided by 2023, this is minus 1 here, plus x minus 5 divided by 2024 minus 1 here, so plus x minus 4 divided by 2025 minus 1 here, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. If I'm taking LCM here, so the remainder is 1 here, this is remainder 1 here and 1 here. So if I'm taking these two term LCM, so our LCM is 2023 here. So 2023 ones are 23, so that is x minus 6 minus this is they got nothing 1 here, so 2023 multiply here, so 2023 here plus I'm gonna got this term also LCM here. So equation is 2024 2024 ones are 2024, and this is x minus 5 and minus 1 is become 2024 is 2024 ones are 24 here. So this is another. So now this term I also take LCM here, so I'm taking LCM here. So this is 2025 here, 2005 is x minus 4 here minus this is 2025 ones are 25 and this is 2025 here, that is equal to 0 here. So next step is if I'm further solve x minus plus, and they got 2023 plus 6 is become 2029 divided by 2023 plus this is minus 5 and become minus 2024 become x minus 2029 here 2000, because this term is add here and big number got negative term here, so we got negative term here 2024 here. So if I'm further solve, this is minus x minus become plus, and 25 plus 4 is 29 here, and big number have minus here, so minus taking, and 2029 here divided by 2025, so that is equals to 0 here. So next step is if I'm taking here common by x minus 2029, x minus 2029, so remainder term is 2000 x minus 2029 here, so remainder term will be 1 divided by 2023 plus 1 divided by 2024. Here we got remainder here, so 1 we got here and divided by 2025 here, that is equal to 0 here. If I'm taking that because this is constant number, I'm taking that here, this is the value of a. Let this be a here, so this is, so our equation has become x minus 2029 into a, that is equals to 0. So this means x minus 2029 is equals to 0, or I said that a, that is equals to 0. So we got the value, this is my negative goes equal opposite side mean positive, so we got the value of x, that is 2029 here. So we got the value of x 2029 here. So now I'm using now verify to put in main equation. Now let's verify to put x, that is equals to 2029. So our equation is 2029 minus 6 divided by 2023 plus 2029 minus 5 divided by 2024 plus x x dot 2029 minus 4 divided by 2025, that is equals to 3 here. So next step is 29 minus 6 is become 23, 2023 minus 2023 plus 29 minus 5 is become 24, 2024 divided by 2024 plus 29 minus 4 is become 25, 2025 divided by 2025, that is equals to 3 here. So this is 2001, ones are this numerator denominator cancel, so we got the value of 1 here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equals to 3. So this means that 3 is equals to 3. So we conclude that left hand side is equals to right hand side. So our solution of x, that is 2029, is suitable for our main equation. So thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe.